Daddy's bringing the surprise. Okay. Come on, Ellie. Auntie Pammy sent some presents.
Hold on.
Can you tell?
Let's check the names.
Oh, check the names. See
Hold
who
on,
it's
Ellie.
from.
Let's check
See
the
who it's
names.
for.
That is Frosty the Snowman. This is for Hannah.
Open.
Okay, well,
This one's for Sarah.
That's for Sarah.
Tear it open.
This is for Mommy.
Okay.
Hold on, Ellie. Okay, this is for Hannah.
This is to Ellie.
Ellie, right here, Ellie.
This one's for you.
For you. You want to tear into it?
And there's
All right.
cool. And there's for Sarah.
All right.
And there's for Ellie.
New clothes, Mommy.
John?
Look.
All right.
New clothes.
That's fantastic. Pull them out. Look, take a look. Ooh, what did you find, Ellie?
Hold on, Ellie.
Those are stretchies.
For Hannah.
Here, Ellie, open this one, honey. Oh, Aunt Pamela knows that you like your cupcakes.
Hannah, these are for
Ellie.
you also.
Ellie.
Yeah, your bracelet.
All right.
And this is for you.
Yay.
All right, we got a phone, big phone.
Yeah.
Let's open it.
Daddy, open it for you. And Sarah got a
Oh, it's one of
phone.
those things that.
Hermetically sealed. Yeah. Good job, Sarah.
Well,
What did you
Hold on, Ellie,
get?
hold on.
hey, look.
Oh, lip gloss. Wow. Princess lip gloss. That'll be so fun to share with Madeline.
Does this snap off?
You have to untwist it. You did it. Yeah.
What else?
Push the button. Hannah, right there.
What do you mean by snap off?
Right there, that one's yours.
I'm twisting.
Twist. That's what I said. Twist off.
Okay, just a minute.
Mine.
Yeah.
More new
It's
clothes.
not coming off.
Oh, beautiful. Uh-oh, Ellie got batteries.
Here, Ellie. Thank you. I think these are for the phone.
Here, Ellie, open this. Yeah.
Yeah, look at all these fancy clothes.
All right, let's open
I love
something
it.
else. All right, this is for Ellie also. All right, look at that.
Yeah.
What
What
else?
else is it?
Good stuff. And more batteries. Let's
Wow,
They're
this one
open.
has heart balloons.
Fantastic.
Can I wear some of my new clothes?
Sure you can.
Ellie. Oh, this already has batteries.
Yeah, this one already placed.
Okay, it's okay.
Help her start it. Just tear a piece off. There you go, Ellie.
What else is next to Daddy?
Daddy got a present.
Yeah.
What else?
Okay.
Look, Ellie, you got a laptop. And a puppy.
There.
How about that?
All right.
Okay.
How about that?
Good job.
Fancy clothes.
Can Daddy help?
Yeah, you love it.
How about that?
You want to play with this?
Lap.
Lap. Okay.
Got batteries in here.
Okay, open it for you.
Oh, it's got these twisty things.
I know. Every child toy has those now.
Okay, hold on, Ellie. I don't. Right, Mommy's gonna have to take this off. Okay, it's coming. What's a twist? It's coming, Ellie.
Just a minute, Ellie. Okay, you know what? Just let her play with the bear with it attached for now, okay? Here you go. You love the bear. Yeah.
Press the button.
There you go.
I'm just gonna open this.
That's what we got, okay? You got lip gloss and clothes. Can you say thank you, Aunt Pammy? How about with a smile? Since you got some lovely stuff that you really like.
Don't touch hand soap.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, what's
She wants the bear. I know. You have to take turns, okay? Let's get the owl out, all right? Mommy will put the camera down and we'll get all the batteries going, okay? Say thank you, Aunt Pammy.
Yeah.
Can you say
Thank you.
thank you? Okay.